Okay, let's skip ahead to the final model. Well, we've glossed over a few of the steps. From an assembly standpoint, it's really more of the same that you've seen already. Cutting parts, gluing, holding them in place, and moving on to the next one. We did paint a few of the small details by hand, as I mentioned. The chimney is a mixture of raw sienna with a few bricks highlighted in burnt umber just to give it some character. And we did the little light on the porch with some wrought iron. All told, this build took about 2 hours from start to finish. Fun thing about these kits is you can customize them any way you'd like. As you can see here, we've got lots of parts left over, especially windows and doors, so we have lots of options for future kits and things we may want to build. Be sure to come back and check us out here on Lionel social media pages as we show you tips on how to go from a simple basic kit assembly like this to something a little bit more elaborate and detailed. This is a very similar Lionel kit that's just been detailed with more weathering, some shingles on the roof, some of our furniture kits, etc. So we'll be coming back with lots more tips on lighting, detailing, weathering as we move forward. If you've enjoyed this, please let us know, and happy modeling, everybody.